What if I told you that a mother's body can detect when her baby is fighting an infection, even before symptoms appear, and immediately start manufacturing custom antibodies to combat it? It sounds like science fiction, but this is precisely what happens with breast milk. I'm Dr. Fergal Armstrong, and today on MedHeads we're exploring one of nature's most sophisticated biological systems, the living, breathing, constantly adapting pharmacy that is human breast milk. Now here's something that still amazes me after decades in medicine. When a healthy mother is breastfeeding, her milk typically contains very low levels of immune cells. We're talking about 0 to 2% of total milk cells being leukocytes. But the moment either mother or baby develops an infection, this changes dramatically. During severe infections like mastitis, research published in Clinical and Translational Immunology shows that leukocyte levels can surge to an extraordinary 94% of total milk cells. And here's the clever bit. This surge comes with an increase in secretory IgA and IgG antibodies, providing the infant with immediate targeted protection against whatever pathogen is threatening the dyad. Recent research from Johns Hopkins has even identified that the complement system in breast milk actively shapes the infant's gut microbiome, directly eliminating harmful bacteria before they can establish themselves. Let's talk about something practical that every new parent wonders about. Within a single feeding session, breast milk composition changes significantly. The foremilk, that's the milk at the beginning of a feed, is thinner and higher in lactose. Think of it as the thirst quencher. But as the breast empties, the milk transitions to hindmilk, which contains 2 to 3 times the fat concentration. This is the calorie-dense, satisfying portion that promotes satiety and growth. It's essentially a built-in 3-course meal, starter, main, and dessert, all in one feeding session. Now this is where it gets particularly fascinating. Multiple studies have found that mothers may produce milk tailored to the sex of their offspring. Research shows that milk from male infants often has significantly higher energy and lipid density, we're talking 25 to 39% higher, compared to milk for females. Studies from Kenyan agro-pastoral communities have shown this aligns with something called the Trivers-Willard hypothesis. Essentially, maternal investment is influenced by the offspring's future reproductive potential based on available resources. Whether you're wealthy or resource limited, your body adjusts its investment strategy. It's remarkable biological bet hedging that we're only beginning to understand. So what's the practical application here? First, for mothers and families, understand that breastfeeding provides something genuinely irreplaceable, a dynamic, personalized immune and nutritional system that formula simply cannot replicate. This isn't about creating guilt, it's about understanding the biology. Second, for healthcare professionals, recognize that breast milk composition varies enormously between mothers and even between feeds. A mother's diet influences fatty acid profiles, her stress levels affect cortisol transfer, and her genetic makeup determines the profile of human milk oligosaccharides, those complex prebiotics that act as pathogen decoys. Supporting breastfeeding means supporting this entire sophisticated system. Breast milk is truly personalized medicine, your baby's first and arguably most sophisticated prescription. I'm Dr. Fergal Armstrong. If you find this helpful, subscribe to MedHeads for your daily dose of evidence-based health insights. Until next time, stay curious and stay well.